Kathy Clement with Kathy by Design, and I have an exciting new Button Farm Club kit reveal for you today. We're getting ready for summer with Graphic 45's Deluxe Collector Edition of By the Sea and their fabulous new Traveler's Notebook with the inserts. So this kit is loaded, and you're going to learn how to make this wonderful dimensional framed cover. In the kit, you will get the Deluxe Collector's Edition, which is 24 double-sided 12 by 12 papers, the 12 by 12 cardstock sticker sheet, and the sheet of chipboard elements. So that's a lot in and of itself. But then you'll also get the album, the inserts, these beautiful little Birdie Rosaline Roses, and you will have some of these left over to use in other places after you make the kit. A package of these darling little novelty buttons. You will get this gorgeous seam binding ribbon. Here's some more of those cute charms. And you will get, I have to open this up to show you the other goodies you will get. You will get burlap string. You will get these really cool brass bulldog clips. You will get a dozen of these red paper clips that we will use to make the cutest little embellishments. Let me see if I can find one and show it to you real quick. I don't want to reveal everything, but wow, this is a great kit, you guys. This is one of my favorites that I've made so far. Just take this apart. We'll look inside. Yeah, look at these. You're going to learn how to make these adorable little paperclip embellishments. Super quick, super easy. You'll be making these every time you craft. It's a great way to use up little bits and pieces. So you'll get the full color tutorial. You will get everything you see here to make this fantastic kit. So go visit the Button Farm Club today. I will put the link in the description area below, and you can get your summer craft on, catch a wave. You'll be sitting on top of the world, folks. Thanks for joining me. Bye.